Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do a series on all of my MU models that I already had completed before I started filming any of them. So I'm going to go through each one. I'm going to give you a 360 view, just talk about each one, how the build was, and just show you what each of the models look like completed, just so you can see how great they look with all the colors and the size and everything, just so you can see if it's something that, maybe something you want to get into or anything. So the videos aren't too long. I just wanted to do this because, the majority that I already have, I never filmed or anything, but I still wanted to just get this out to you just so you can see the final product of all these awesome Transformer MU metal models. And as always, if you enjoy the videos, please like and subscribe, and I'll get more content out to you. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Continuing our episodes of our completed MU Transformer meta models. And you may not recognize this one because when I first saw it, I didn't really recognize it. But this is Drift. I think you saw him in the movies. Because it kind of looks like a samurai or a ninja, everything. But this one is Drift. I mean, more for the movies and everything. I don't really remember it from the Generation 1 cartoon, but it just looked cool with the swords and the knives and everything. So I just had to get it. So, but as you can see, I mean, definitely a lot of color, a lot of angles, detail, everything. It just makes it stand out with everything that's there, and especially with the sword. I mean, it just kind of adds another little layer that you're not really expecting from a robot. Everything, but this one definitely uses magnets a lot. The scabbard on the back is for the sword, and the sword actually does fit inside of it. The sheath is actually has magnets on it to attach it to the back that you can take off. And the scabbard, or the sheaths for the swords, or for the smaller swords, those come off, and you can take both swords out and put them in each of the hands as well. And this one came with another hand to help you with that. So you can put the sword in different positions. You can put the smaller knives or smaller swords in different positions. But the hands are magneted onto the arms. And so you can take those, and I believe the arms have magnets to attach it to the bodies. So, but the sword here that's in a sheath, that actually comes out, and I can put that in this hand with another handpiece that came with it, to have both swords out, and then put the bigger sword into the scabbard in the back. And but I just like the pose that it's in now, just because it just looks intimidating, especially with the swords and knives and everything. So, but and the swords were definitely not easy to put together. Those took a little bit to work on and everything, but I just like the detail in it and everything. So I'll try to get a little closer so you can see. There's the face. As we're going around, you can kind of see the arms, shoulders. But I just like the angles of the sheaths and the little fins that are on it and everything. And of course, having that scabbard that's so long, it's almost hitting the ground. But just the attention to detail on the legs and feet and everything. I mean, just definitely sleek and sharp. and everything. So just the way it's built. So, but definitely like the color. Like I said, the swords and definitely make it stand out and everything. So, but yeah, it was this one was really fun build to put together, you know, with the swords and the angles and everything. But definitely another smaller model compared to the other ones. I definitely enjoyed building this one. This was one of the later models that I did. So I think they were, you know, the company was using more of the magnets to hold stuff together, just to make it a little easier, so you're not having to use tabs and everything. But definitely enjoyed this one. So this is Drift. But that's all I got. So I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next episode.